Good morning, it's February 24th, it's Cam's Mortgage Minute, and today we're going to talk about more news about an impending possible price correction. That's right, the Bank of Canada just made an announcement that they foresee that the market could correct and that Canadian mortgage holders would be at risk for this correction. And the reason that they're citing for the risk to the folks is that a lot of folks over the last decade have pulled out a lot of equity out of their properties. As we all know, properties have appreciated over the last decade or so, and folks have gone to town and pulled out a lot of money to spend on a lot of other things. Now, I constantly harp on all of you, as any of you watched my videos, telling you not to borrow money for stupid things. But people don't necessarily consider them stupid, so they are things that they see of value. You know, that new SUV, the new motorhome, the new boat, the new whatever, the $20,000 vacation. I guess all of those things are fine if you can afford them, but if you're stealing them out of your home, basically robbing the equity in your house to do them, might want to rethink that. So what happens is the prognosis is let's say let's take a house worth $500,000. And we've remortgaged this house to the tune of now, let's say, $400,000. And now we've got $100,000 of equity left. If the market corrects by 10%, so in other words, $450,000, now the house is only worth $450,000. We are now down to $50,000 in equity. And if you need to borrow money again, there's nothing left to take out. With CMHC's rules of 85% as the maximum, you couldn't even cover the mortgage at this point. So, bottom line, to those of you who think you may be in peril or jeopardy or just have way too much debt, restructure. We've talked about this so many times. Give us a call. Let's talk about restructuring. Let's take a look at your situation. While you're still in control, that's the time to take advantage of this. Don't be one of those people that's caught in this. Now, if you're one of those folks sitting with lots of equity in your house, you never know. Price corrections may spell an opportunity if you're looking for a rental. Bottom line is, you've got to take some proactive action to deal with what could possibly happen. It may not happen to the extent they're talking about it, but it could. The bottom line is, if you're prepared, you're well ready to handle whatever might come your way. Anyway, it's been Cam Brar for Cam's Mortgage Minute. Enjoy your weekend.